Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to upload manual bank transactions from CSV or Excel file to QuickBooks Online. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in QuickBooks, you might want to find a plan that's right for you. And from here, all you have to do is follow the on-screen instructions and you are all set. Now, uploading manual bank transactions from CSV or Excel files into QBO can be beneficial for a lot of reasons. Number one, uploading transactions from both files allows you to enter multiple transactions at once, saving you time and effort compared to entering each transaction manually. Because manually entering transactions can be prone to errors, especially when dealing with a large volume of transactions. Now, by uploading transactions from a CSV or Excel file, you reduce the risk of data entry errors, ensuring the accuracy of your financial records. Now, uploading transactions from a CSV or Excel file helps maintain consistency in how transactions are recorded in QuickBooks Online. Now, the first method or the first step that we need to do for us to be able to manually upload a bank transactions from CSV or Excel, you need to go to the left side panel of your dashboard and go to the bank transactions. And from here, as you can see, you have two options. You can automate income and expense tracking if you connect a bank or a credit card to get started. But obviously, we are not going to do that because we're going to upload transactions. And here's how you manually upload your transactions. The first step is open a new tab and sign into your online bank account. Okay, let's do that. Now, I'm here on Bank of America, and if you're still following, log into your bank, local bank or international bank, it doesn't matter. And once you've logged in, we need to switch over to our QBO. And from your bank, you need to export your bank statement in a CSV, a QFX, QBO, OFX, or TXT format. Now, we have a separate video on uploading different file formats, but for now, we're going to manually upload two times, which is CSV or Excel. Now, the first step is you can drag and drop or select files. Now, what I'm going to do is select files from the directory. And once I'm here, all I have to do is click on the file itself, all right, and choose open. Right, so the file is successfully uploaded here. Now the next option is you can drag and drop the file right here, because what we have uploaded is a CSV file. In this instance, we're going to drag and drop a Excel format. Now locate your folder, and from here just choose the Excel file type and drag and drop here. And after that, all you have to do is press and continue, and you will be prompted to ask which account are these transactions from. And from here, just choose the necessary information, such as maybe it's for the long-term investments or intangibles. Let's check for now and click on continue. And from here, you have the option for the file header. Let's check no for now. How many columns do you want to show it? Maybe 2 columns. You can select the date format you used in a file, maybe in this format. And from here, you can customize the columns from your file. Select the fields that corresponds to your file. And the good thing about using a CSV or Excel files, it offers flexibility in how transaction data is formatted and structured. You can customize the file to include additional information such as transaction categories. You can choose columns from file here. All right, money received and number next, and a lot more. And all you have to do is click on continue. And from here, every transaction categories can be imported to QuickBooks Online along with the transaction data. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you are all set. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.